Today, I want to teach you some words that you won't find in any textbook. Let's dive into some words related to sex and different parts of the body. Let's go! The private area of men. 톳, 톳. 차지, 차지. Both of these words are slang for the male genitalia, similar to dick or cock. But 차지 sounds more vulgar. There are also two additional slang terms. 고추, 고추. This literally means pepper. But in slang, it's more childish or informal way to refer to the penis. 물건, 물건. This means thing in Korean, but in slang, it can refer to down there or it. Finally, we have two medical terms. 음경, 음경. This is the most standard medical term for penis. 남근, 남근. 남근 is slightly more casual than 음경, but still formal. The private area of woman. 포지, 포지 actually means pussy. This is the most commonly used word for vagina in Korean. However, it is highly informal and can be offensive in some contexts. There is a slang to refer to this area. 꽃잎, 꽃잎. This word means petal and is sometimes used as a softer and more poetic term to refer to this area. Formal and medical terms. 질, 질. 외음부, 외음부. These are standard medical terms for vagina in Korean. 질 and 외음부 are natural and respectful and should be used in formal and medical settings. Testicles. 고환, 고환. This is the formal term mainly used in scientific, medical, or formal contexts. 불알, 불알. This is an informal term commonly used in casual speech, but it can be slightly crude. Sperm. 청자, 청자. This word is a formal term used in medical, scientific, and formal context. Semen. 청액, 청액. A formal and medical term for semen, most appropriate in scientific or polite contexts. 톳물, 톳물. A vulgar and crude slang term for semen, considered offensive and inappropriate. Uterus or womb. 자궁, 자궁. Ovary. 난소, 난소. Orgasm. 오르가즘, orgasm. Sex. 섹스. 섹스. A Konglish word delivered from sex, commonly used in casual conversations. 성관계. 성관계. A formal and natural term meaning sexual intercourse. 섹스를 하다. 섹스를 하다 is the most direct way to say to have sex in Korean. nipple. 첫 꼭지. 첫 꼭지. 첫 refers to breast milk or breasts in a general sense. 꼭지 means tip, referring to the protruding part. ovum or egg. 난자. 난자